Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you've been here and all, I'm happy to see you back. So in today's video, actually, I'm going to talk about the couple of websites that I use, and hopefully that helps you also, or you can benefit from. It's all about uh, knowing tools that can help your trading. Even though nowadays AI is going crazy and people are using AI to predict the market, to anticipate, to set up their trading, but these are also just the tools to enhance your trading. So anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the website that I started to learn a little bit. I browse and I feel like it's kind of cool to use it if you guys interested in. So this is called Trading Terminal. I'm sure some people probably know what it is, but for me it's new and I was gonna just show you guys, and I actually wouldn't mind if you can uh, share your experience if you use it as well. So let me refresh. It seems like it takes little time to load. I guess it's because of graphically heavy and is loading slowly for me. I don't know why, but earlier was much smoother. But it's kind of cool to see the overall market, which I usually or I used to use Finviz, which is my favorite to use for trading and getting a sense of the market. And that's what I usually go in the morning. I try not to trade at the open because open is not predictable. You don't know what the market is going to do. But I usually come here after 15 minutes to see what is moving and where is the main volume from. Major news, that's where I go. I click on it. You can see Nvidia had the earning, and even though they did good, but somehow people are, I guess, shorting, or maybe they're trying to digest Nvidia, Google. So these are the lists that you can click on the major news. But my trade today or yesterday, today is Saturday, Friday was on Rigetti, which most quantum website or quantum stocks were trading really good with the high volume and mostly trending up. So as I always says, never guess the market, what it's gonna do, just follow the trend. And that's what it was doing. So I came here also to see if Rigetti's here also QBTS, which is also quantum D-Wave quantum computing, which also went up 11%, and Rigetti was up 17%. And I'm sure you will see QUBT also went up 6%. So these are uh, all the same sector kind of thing, quantum sector, and usually they all follow each other. And also IonQ, which is the mother of quantum computing, is also moved 6%, but the main focus was on Rigetti, which was doing really good. So I noticed there are so many features here. I really like this website so far because I can see the market, what it's doing. Even after market is closed, you see after hours, you can see market went down a little bit, even though the during the market open, everything was green. So which means market was trending up. And here, healthcare was the number one movers in the sector, and technology followed, which has been going up so long for long time. Even in a month, in 3 months, year to date, technology is other than oil because of war, energy, technology sector has been going up 30% year to date, or in 3 months. Year to date, technology's been up 25%. Unbelievable. And also map or heat map, you can see it here if it loads. Because market is closed, obviously you see it a little bit different color, but in the market open was red, Nvidia was red. Google also was, everything, all the big, big guys, or I should say, magnificent. They were in a kind of red zone with slightly uh, going down. And this website has a lot of features. Calendar, I'm assuming it gives you the economic events and earning and dividend IPO. And one thing I actually liked, or maybe dragged me to come to this website, it's called Atlas. So Market Atlas gives trader direction. I think Market Atlas shows you where the pending orders are waiting to be filled. So it's pretty much level 2 in a visualized way of seeing it on the chart. So I was actually looking into this earlier, and I think Andrew, I think his name is the one, their company is the one who I guess created it, and I guess partner up with Nasdaq. And
You see, we have a
let's let's
huge
let's have a quick look of what exactly Atlas does, so you get some idea. And please share with me if you know or you use these features, and hopefully I can try, because why not? Anything that enhance and helps or improve your trading, I'm up for it, as long as it makes sense. You don't want too much complex. You want something that actually helps you with your mindset as well. That if you are the guy who watches level 2, I'm sure that helps you a lot. So let's just have a quick look of what Atlas does. And then, because he's going to explain obviously better than me, I don't know what exactly it does because I'm new to it too. Let's see what it does and we go from there.
order here at $410 stacking up here, and significantly bigger than the orders to the downside. That means that all the traders, all the market makers are strongly believing that the price is going to come up to them. If they were desperate, they would have hit the market order and they push the price lower. So you don't see desperate sellers up there. If they were desperate, they would have already gone out of the trade. So these are the people who think the trade comes to them. In this recap, we're going to talk about the most important tool that you need for scalping, and how do you see these kind of big moves that right now I'm catching on Tesla from 398 to 406, and how we can actually enter this in the middle of the way, and how we actually partialed, and how we were able to book almost $30,000 on this big scalp and overall $48,000 profit. Such an amazing day. The most important tool that I want to talk about today is something we call Market Atlas that we build in partnership with NASDAQ. And essentially what Market Atlas is doing is that Market Atlas is giving you liquidity levels and the orders that the market makers are putting there for the future. And the rule of thumb is that as the orders are getting higher and higher and higher, significantly, the price action goes toward it. And it's very counterintuitive. A lot of people think that, okay, if the market and there are big sell orders up there, the price should go lower. However, as you see here in this live trade that I'm showing it to you, and I'm recording it, so as you see here, the price is significantly squeezing to the upside. And as you see, the orders are significantly higher and higher and higher. And as you see, we have a huge order here at $410 stacking up here, and significantly bigger than the orders to the downside. That means that all the traders, all the market makers are strongly believing that the price is going to come up to them. If they were desperate, they would have hit the market order and they push the price lower. So you don't see desperate sellers up there. If they were desperate, they would have already gone out of the trade. So these are the people who think the trade comes to them. And that's why they're continuously bringing their trades higher and higher and higher and higher, orders higher. So, and this happens usually in, at the open during the volatile time. So Tesla at the open that it came up, so we went long for quick scalps because in those times we had 398, 399 order. But obviously as a trade management, when you scalp it like this, you partial, you want to get stopped out at the break even. So that was the one trade that we did, and then the order started shopping around the volume weighted average price, which is one of the most important indicators that day traders should have, and then did a consolidation and it started running up. I didn't take this trade earlier because I was really done with my trading. But as the squeeze started having really moving up, and we saw huge orders toward 399, 400 was a very big order. I have a screenshot to show you, and 402, and I decided to take the trade at 399.50. And as you see here, holy moly, it's going to go up. This is going to go to 410. As a matter of fact, I can actually put some there, maybe 200 shares, maybe 100 shares at 409. I would 40, let's say 48 and 409. And I'm going to put some orders at 410 to sell. So this squeeze, as you see, is really crazy. And, I got in there at 398 in very big position, and I started partialing out. And you see 408 to 410 is a trade that I'm really looking forward to. This depth of market works also for the futures as well. So obviously, you just have to have the subscription because they're different exchange. CME Group and Nasdaq different exchanges. So it actually works for the futures really well as well. So you see big, much more significant orders. So without this tool, you really don't, you're blind for day trading. And it's impossible to scalp the way that I'm doing here in this trade without having this tool. It's almost impossible. And this tool is the same as level 2. What it's having is having the time axis in there. So you can actually see the time axis, rather than just to see the top of the levels and then they're gonna be gone. And in Trading Terminal, which we built it in our community, we actually put a replay as well. So you can actually switch to replay, select the date. If you want, you can trade based on that as well. So if you can switch to the replay, you can select the time and then you can do the replay. But right now, we're just focusing right now on the live. And right now, as you see here, 407, 408, the orders that I'm really looking forward to get. And I think it's the most important tool that every trader needs to scalp the market. And all of the trades that I did today was based on that. So we had another trade on NVIDIA. So essentially, this was one small trade that we did here. And then there is another trade that we did here, again, with the help of Market Atlas at around 202. Now I have some screenshots actually to show it to you. Oh, there you go. So but before we go to the screenshots, the Tesla is filled my order at 408. Now let me show you the screenshots of the Tesla over time. Again, you can go to the replay and you can actually play around on the replay. But before that, let me quickly show that. All right. So this is the first screenshot that I want to show to you. So this is the screenshot that I took at 9:55 in the morning. And this is a trade that I did on NVIDIA. So obviously, we did the first trade on NVIDIA. The order was really huge at 202 and at 201.50. So that's why we went long. We added more, and we really wanted to get to 201.50. And now let's see what happens. What happens after that? So this is at 10:14. That was about 20 minutes later. As you see, the order popped up toward 201.50. And, we filled the 201.50 and we went through.
It's pretty much level 2
individual
there.
And
as I said earlier.
It's
kind of cool.
And now this is a Tesla. So this is a Tesla at 10:34. This is before I take that trade.
If you are using level 2,
before I take that trade, so the 400 was there available. So you see the orders at 399, 400 significantly higher, and I'm not really entering the trade yet. But I decided that the trade is good enough, and I entered at 398.50. The orders at 400 is really stacking up. Look at the time stamp, 10:37. It's only 1 minute after that. And now a couple of screenshots at 10:38. We broke the 400. You see the orders actually got filled at 400 here. So the orders got filled at 400. We popped up above. So this big bubble volume actually happened. Pulled back. Pullback is always normal, but the orders still stacking. Started stacking up toward higher. So
I guess
they didn't really
it's kind of cool to have these features if you are interested in level 2 and you're watching a level 2 like a hawk and you are going based on order flow. But there are other websites also do that, but that's a pretty cool thing to use. And if you guys using it already, let me know. I actually want to know your feedback about how you think about it. Is it useful? Is it actually worth it to pay $100 a month? And I don't know about other features. I'm sure news is one of them. You can see the news, which most, I guess, platform already offer. Journaling also, it's pretty good if it's built in. Well, journaling is usually 30 to 50 bucks a month if you're going with you know, Tradezilla or other journaling software. So if that's included, that's not bad, but you're still paying 100 bucks anyway. So uh, that's kind of, you have to understand, if you're active trader, I think it's worth it. But if you're just trading once in a while, I don't think you need it. But yeah, I'd like to know if you guys use it, and let me know what you think. Do you think I should get it? Do you think it's worth it? And if you are using it, what features here is the most used for you? And oh, it's got option, probably it's option flow. That's interactive. Oh, that's training. Okay. That's academy learning. Okay, that's just a link to different brokers and their website and webinars, you know, chat room. What is the chat room for? Okay, Bearable. I think that's a guy. Also, it's probably the website belongs to same team or community as far as I see, because they're redirecting all those to their website, which is the creator of Atlas. Yeah, so I don't know. I just came across this. I thought maybe I share with you and what you guys think. And I would appreciate if you guys leave a comment, and if you have a suggestion and what you think. Hopefully it's good so I can read and test it out, and the features that I don't know, I don't see. Hopefully you like this video. As I said, just thought maybe it's good to share for those who are in my channel and subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please join me. So I share videos about tools, about how to I trade, and what I look for, and my strategy. And if you are new here, why not just subscribe? Hopefully you benefit from those video. I'm not selling courses and stuff like that, so I'm just sharing my trading, and hopefully you guys also learn or benefit from it. And I'll see you in my next video. Up until then, have a wonderful day and keep trading. Make sure you have a risk management, because that's all about trading is all about risk management. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Cheers.